Welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to rationalize the denominator. This video is as a result of one of my subscribers who is preparing for the Western African math exam. So we are going to solve 3 questions, starting with the most basic question and end with the 2 common exam style questions. So I encourage you to watch the video until the end as we look at those problems. Alright, so the first question says, rationalize the denominator of 6 over the square root of 3. So first let's rewrite this question. So 6 over the square root of 3. Now, what do they mean when they say rationalize? To rationalize means you need to remove or to do away with a surd or the square root symbol on the denominator. So to do that, we're going to multiply by the same denominator both on the denominator and the numerator. Okay, so we're going to have 6 times the square root of 3 over the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 can be written as the square root of 3 and then squared. So the square root symbol and the power 2 will cancel. What will remain is 6 times the square root of 3 over 3. Then 3 into 3 is 1, 3 into 6 is 2. So what we have now is 2 times the square root of 3 over 1. So we now have 2 times the square root of 3. Then this is the final answer. So you can see that we have removed the surd or the square root symbol on the denominator. Alright? So if you are with me up to this point, it means you are enjoying what I'm doing. Why can't you subscribe, hit the like button, comment and share? Alright, so the next question is one of the common exam questions. So the question says, rationalize the denominator of 33 over 4 minus the square root of 5. Give your answer in the form a plus b times square root of 5, where a and b are integers. Alright, so first of all, let's write this given question. So we have 33 over 4 minus the square root of 5. So for us to rationalize this denominator, we need to multiply this given denominator by its conjugate. So we are going to multiply this given denominator by its conjugate by saying 4. So where there is a minus here, we put a plus, then the square root of 5 like this. So what we've done on the denominator, we also do it on the numerator. So 4 plus the square root of 5 like this. Okay, so meaning we're going to have 33 times 4 plus the square root of 5 over, so we expand and simplify the denominator in the same way we expand and simplify algebraic expressions. So we are going to write 4. This first 4 is going to multiply by everything in there. So we have 4 plus the square root of 5. Then we come to this, we collect this together with a sign. So we're going to say minus the square root of 5 times this again. Okay, so 4 plus the square root of 5 like this. Next, we're going to have 33 times 4 plus the square root of 5 over 4 times 4 is 16. Then 4 times positive root 5 is positive 4 times root 5 like this. So we are done opening the brackets here. We come to this part. So we're going to say negative root 5 times 4 is negative 4 times the square root of 5. Okay, then again negative square root of 5 times positive square root of 5. So it's like you have negative the square root of 5 times the square root of 5, like this. So this is same as negative then square root of 5 squared, such that the square root symbol and this will cancel. What will remain is negative 5. Okay, so we are saying negative square root of 5 times positive square root of 5 is minus 5, like this. Alright, so we are having 33 times 4 plus the square root of 5, then over, so this and this is going to 0, which means on the denominator we are going to have 16 minus 5. Alright, then we're going to have 33 times 4 plus the square root of 5 over 16 minus 5 is 11. Then we're going to say 11 into 11, 1. 11 into 33 is 3. Then we're having 3 times 4 plus the square root of 5 over 1. Alright, so we are now having 3 times 4 plus the square root of 5. Alright, but in the question they said we need to leave the answer in this form, a plus b root 5, which means we need to open the brackets here. So we're going to say 3 times 4 is 12 plus 3 times root of 5 is 3 the square root of 5. Alright, so this is the answer. We have written our answer in the form of a plus b the square root of 5. Okay, the square root of 5, like this. Alright, here's the last question. Feel free to pause the video, try this question out, and then compare your answer with the answer that we're going to find together. Alright, so the question is 9 over the square root of 10 plus 3. So to rationalize this denominator, we need to multiply this denominator by its conjugate. So we are multiplying this denominator by its conjugate by saying the square root of 10, then where there is a plus here we're going to put a minus 3. So what we've done on the denominator, we also do it on the numerator. So we have the square root of 10 minus 3, like this. So what we'll have is 9 times the square root of 10 minus 3 over what is on the denominator can be expanded and simplified in the same way that we simplify algebraic expressions. So we're going to have the square root of 10 times everything here. Okay, so the square root of 10 minus 3. Then we come to this, we pick this as it is together with a sign. So we have plus 3, then everything in here. So the square root of 10 minus 3. Alright, so on the numerator we have 9, the square root of 10 minus 3 over, we're having the square root of 10 times the square root of 10. So the square root of 10 times the square root of 10, this is same as the square root of 10 squared, and this radical symbol, this sad symbol and this will cancel, so what will remain is just a 10. So meaning this times this will give us 10 only. Okay, then this times this is minus 3 times the square root of 10. So I've said the square root of 10 times negative 3. So don't just say the square root of 10 times 3, but you multiply together with a sign. Okay, so we are done with this. We move to this. Again, we multiply together with a sign. Okay, so positive 3 times the square root of 10 is positive 3 times the square root of 10. Then positive 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Alright, so we are having 9 times the square root of 10 minus 3 over, so this and this are getting to 0 because minus 3 root 10 plus 3 root 10, so these will go to 0, okay? So meaning what we have on the denominator is 10 minus 9, okay? So this 10 and this, okay? So we're going to have 9 times the square root of 10 minus 3 over 1. So this is same as 9 times the square root of 10 minus 3. So we need to write this in the form a plus b root of 10. Okay? So we'll do that first by multiplying the 9 by everything that is in the bracket. So we're going to have 9 root of 10. Then 9 times negative 3 is minus 27. So to get this form, we are going to have negative 27, because we are getting together with a sign, plus 9 root of 10. So this is the answer. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new to this channel, once again, subscribe, hit the like button, comment and share. See you in the next video. Goodbye.